about 3 days ago, we were all here when we were seeing a team to go and do further investigation and examination. Today, we are taking the final batch of the results of the investigation and examination. Yeah, so I thank you.
This came in a bit earlier than supposed. Was it a special request that government made for it to be done? Because we got an indication that between 4 to 6 days or so thereabout was the time needed. Was this a special request made by government?
Yeah, if you recall, last time when they were going, we told you that we're going to expedite action on it, given the circumstances at hand. So, by the grace of God, we have the final batch today. But the first batch even came earlier than today. Yesterday we had the first batch, and today is the final batch. That was the Muslims one, Honorable Mutala and Honorable Olive. That was the reason why today we have been able to perform the final barrier.
For clarity's sake, what samples are you holding, and for which individuals?
Well, they took over samples of the remains for some examinations and investigations. And so the results is ready today for easy identification of our heroes who failed.
So it contains samples for the remaining six?
Yeah. The 2 came yesterday.
All right. Most grateful, appreciate it.
You're welcome.